All right, everyone. Pastor Dave here. It is January 3rd, 2012. I thought it would be very informative and very interesting to go back in time. Go back to 1 year ago. Let's go back to New Year's Eve, 2010, ringing in 2011, all the way up to January 3rd, 1 year ago exactly to the date, 2011, and compare the mass animal die-offs, the birds falling out of the sky, animals falling over dead, fish washing ashore, and compare it with the events unfolding. New Year's Eve, 2011, going into 2012, right up to today's date, January 3rd, 2012. And let's do a comparison. Are we looking at a repeat of Bible prophecy, of events unfolding last year? Or is it happening again this year? And I want to thank a viewer that sent me this wonderful resource, and it's on my trumpetofgodministries.com website. I'll put the link below where you can track this for yourself. It shows every mass animal die-off going way back the entire year, part of 2010, all of 2011, and it's updated till today's date, January 3rd, 2012. And now we can do a comparison. See, are we seeing a repeat of Bible prophecy, end times events? Are we seeing a repeat of 2011? Let's take a look. Let's go to New Year's Eve, 2010, bringing in 2011, and let's compare. December 31st, 2010, which would be New Year's Eve. Endangered species, 3 whooping crane found dead, only 96 left in eastern United States. December 31st, 2010, New Year's Eve, 3,000 red-winged blackbirds fall from the sky in Arkansas. New Year's Eve, 2010, ringing in 2011, rain of dead starlings just before midnight in Spain. Now let's go to New Year's Day, January 1st, 2011. 120 dead birds found in Tennessee. January 2nd, 2011. 35 dead birds found in West Texas parking lot. And again on January 2nd, 2011, hundreds of dead fish found in Wales. January 3rd, 1 year ago to the date, 2011, 100,000 dead fish wash ashore on the Arkansas River. January 3rd, a year ago to today's date, 500 dead birds fell from the sky in Louisiana. It's going to be interesting to see what happens January 3rd, 2012. This is what happened January 3rd, 2011. Dozens of dead birds fall from the sky in Kentucky. Now bear with me. We're going to take a look at what's happened this year. New Year's Eve, 2011, ringing in 2012, all the way up to today's date, January the 3rd, 2012. And I want you to go to my website, trumpetofgodministries.com, click on the resource button, and it has every single mass animal die-off, fish death, birds falling from the sky, animal die-offs, every single day to date. And I should have been following this a little more closely myself. Now let's compare 2011, 2010 going New Year's Eve, going into 2011 up to today's date, January the 3rd, 2012. Let me, bear with me. I'm in November 2011. My goodness, so much has happened. I think you're going to love this resource here on my website, trumpetofgodministries.com. Bear with me. Oh, here we go. New Year's Eve, 2011, ringing in 2012. And I wasn't aware of this. December 31st, 17 dead magpies and 1 dead raven found in one area, wildlife authorities suspect foul play against these protected species. However, tests are being done to confirm cause of death, and this happened in Australia. Dozens of dead blackbirds fall again 1 year to the date after 5,000 fell last year to the day. Fireworks are blamed. Beebe, Arkansas, United States. January 1st, 2012, dead sperm whales found washed up on the beach in the United Kingdom. January 1st, New Year's Day, 3 whales and 1 dolphin found dead on beach in recent weeks in Ireland. January 1st, New Year's Day, this year, 2012, 444 manatee died in 2011, making 2011 the second highest annual death toll since records began in 1974. Florida, USA. January 2nd, this year, 2012, beach dolphin dies, third in past year, highest number ever recorded for dolphin deaths in Malaysia. January 2nd, 2012, 20 tons of dead herring, and I brought you this story yesterday on the 2nd. Very accurate website here and resources. 20 tons of dead herring washed up on beach in Norway. Now let's see what's happening today, if we have anything today. Nothing reported for today's date. I thought you would find that very interesting. The link will be below, trumpetofgodministries.com, and go to the sidebar where it says resources. Click on the resources button, and it'll be under, I believe, mass animal deaths. So what a comparison from last year. We're started out a little bit slower. We're not as, it doesn't seem like as much happened this New Year's as last year, but very close. What will the days bring? We have this now, where now you can follow this for yourself. Leave me comments, everyone. God bless.